Hello traders, Damien here. Welcome to a post-session review. I wasn't really going to make them. I usually don't make post-session reviews on the live stream days because all of the information is there. But I told you guys we're going to talk a little bit about the area of interest and how to identify areas of interest from a technical aspect. And but today, for the sake of transparency, let's bring in the spreadsheet. Let's bring in the account. You see that today we had a $525 gain on two trades, $525 gain. That increased the balance to 284,157, 284,157. So we're dollar for dollar, penny for penny matched up. Okay, and today was a good day. So I had two trades today, and I had this was the main swing coming in, and then we had a complex correction to the downside, 1-to-1 ABCD. So that would have been a nice trade, but that happened at 5 in the morning, and as the market opened very close to the open, we determined the area of interest. So understanding that this is our main swing and we're correcting from that, we can fib out this area here, okay, and just tell ourselves, what do we expect? Well, we had good momentum, we have decent projection, okay, so we should expect pretty much an overall shallow to mid correction. So we got a little deeper here, but when we talk about wanting to get into a trade, we have to ask ourselves, within this main swing to the left, where are the buyers? And we know we had some buyers in around here because we saw the sellers come in, and the buyers came in to absorb and go ahead and break through that new structure high. It was retesting this high prior to that. We also know slightly lower we have some buyers here, and then afterwards, so as we get into our session here, now we have more information they can use to identify the area of interest, and we can see that we have from a area 2, 3, and the line in the sand, we have some buyers here, right? We have some buying here. They really didn't go anywhere, but the buying that actually made a difference and went somewhere occurred from this level here. Okay, as we can see, we have some support there, we have support there, we have support there. Here again, an attempt to get long here, not to get long, but the market tried to find some support here, and ultimately when I got the rotation, it was a no-brainer for me. And the price went out to make a new structure high, but it did not hit this 27 extension, the 127 or the 1-to-1. It fell short of that. So once price made a new structure high and started correcting, that was up here, we fell short of the 1-to-1 too. Let me show you. Okay, I drew out the fib, and what I did is I put the stop right at the 38.2, give me an opportunity to get out of this and not get back all those points, as we might have survived the break even here or not. And then we found another opportunity to get enter here. So now remember, once price make a new structure high, now we need to redo that area of interest. Sometimes you can drag it across, like is the case here. We know that there were buyers here that were willing to buy there. They just really didn't conquer anything. This was pretty much a brick wall, but the market spoke. Okay, and now it's our job to find another area of interest. And what do we have here? We have, well, this area that's most obvious would put price at the very lows here, so that's not something that you would expect. It would be unreasonable, right? As we get shorter projection, we do expect a deeper correction. Okay, so overall we're looking for a deeper correction, and whenever you expect a deep correction, don't rule out the possibility of having a complex correction. Okay, after all, this market is bullish, and the bulls are going to try to defend their territories. As that happens, we could have a higher probability of getting a complex correction. Okay, but that's not the case, and as price came back to an area of interest that we had identified, the market produced a nice rotation and took it. Got us on the pain train a little while, and then the market started coming up, and we managed to trade, and we got aggressive at the highs. The specific reasons why that happened were in the live stream, and you can fast forward to that area and see the specific reasons why I took that action there. Okay, so to recap here, once we have a new structure high here, it is our job to identify the area the price will most likely respect, and that's going to be the strongest area of structure between this high and this low. And what we're looking for here, since it's buyers, you're looking for a footprint or an indication of buying. And here, I mean, you don't have to go too crazy into absorption and all that stuff. Just ask yourself, where are the buyers? There's some buyers at this level, and there's some stronger buyers at this level. Okay, so ultimately price reacted, got slightly past this area, but as you can see, if we adjust this a little better, we know that this area actually comes down a little bit lower here. Okay, allowing us the opportunity to look for a trade in a good area of interest, because we have a visual confirmation that there are in fact buyers here and there are in fact buyers there. Okay, that's pretty much it. It's a short one. The rest is on the longer term. Sorry, the rest is on the live stream. On the longer term, I got stopped out. I averaged to my position. Let me bring that in. I averaged to my position and then I got stopped out. So no big deal. Another one that, if I tell you how much the hit was, it will probably make you cry. But it's all part of the process, part of the business, okay? Nothing. We're growing the account. We're not growing the account, but we're working on building the account. And our goal is just to make the account grow. It's not recovering or anything along those lines. Okay, so we'll come back tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have a good session tomorrow. But whether we win or lose, we know we're going to have a good session because we're going to be on our trade plan. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Looking forward to another trading session tomorrow and the live stream next week. Okay, I know that I was a little superficial with this area of interest concept. We talked about it pretty much in the live stream more, and we definitely went deeper into bar by bar analysis in the live stream. So definitely check it out. Please like and subscribe these videos, and I will work on the 3 pillars of trading before the end of the week, and I may even have the opportunity to make you the structure analysis and order flow analysis, how one works with the other and how to use those 2 things to identify really, really good areas of interest. Thank you very much for your time. Good night, guys.